Okay, class, so today we're starting with a new unit. We are finished with the long I family, so today we're going to start with something new. We're going to do nouns. We talked about nouns a little bit before. Can you still remember what a noun is? A noun is when you can see something or touch something. But when I ask you next time, what is a noun? You are going to answer, it's people, places, animals, and things. So what are nouns? And things. Okay, so with our new unit today, we're going to be doing nouns, but focusing on animals. We're going to do different types of animals and focus on them on nouns. So I want you to take a look at our new flashcards and we are going to practice saying the words together. So let's take a look. As you can see here on the board, here they are big, but here's the smaller ones. You know what that is? So let's practice the word together. Wolves. I want everybody to say wolves. Wolf, we spell W-O-L-F. But now there is not one wolf, there are two wolves. So I want everybody to say wolves. Very good. Let's see our next animal. They're right here. Do you know what these are? Monkeys. I want everybody to say monkeys. Monkeys. There is not one monkey, there are a lot of monkeys. Very good. Easy so far, right? This one everybody knows as well. What do we have here? Elephant. Very good. We spell elephant like this because there is not only one elephant, there are two elephants. So say elephants. Elephants. What about this one right here? Dolphin. Yes, very good. Dolphin. Say dolphins. Dolphins. Well done. And some of us have these at home. There are a lot of dogs. Say dogs. Dogs. This one is easy, right? Most of us have some pets at home as dogs. And then the last one, this is the one that most of you might not know. Our new word for today. See if you can see that clearly. We call them whales. I want everybody to say whales. Whales. Look carefully at the picture. Okay, so class, what is nouns? Nouns are things. Very good. So I want you to remember one more thing. When we talk about singular and plural, when there is one animal or a lot of animals. So when we talk about singular, there is one animal. Then we put no S. We have no S. But when we talk about plural, that means there are two or more. There are two or a lot more of the animals. Then we put a S. Example, if there was only one whale, there's only one whale, then we take away the S. We say whale. But now there's two whales. Now we put the S, so now it's whales. So I want you to go practice these new vocabulary words for us today.